We're back. I'm Liv.
And I'm John.
And we're about to try Christina's chocolate cookies.
Yep, after we each try to make it and then combine them into one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We thought that would help.
It kind of looks like a chocolate pudding.
Oh my god. What is this? Thanks, dear.
Don't thank me, thank Christina.
Thank you, Christina.
Bon appetit.
Cheers!
I think I just got a blob of cocoa powder.
Oh.
Very chocolatey.
I don't know what just hit me. It's just like, it's peanut butter. I don't know, but it's not working for me. Oh, I see some cocoa. I'm avoiding that.
I mean, it mostly tastes like melted chocolate chips.
It does, yeah. Which I guess is good. And I do taste some peanut butter. I don't really taste the orange. And got some peanut butter juice.
Yep.
Good call. Nope, I do not like this. As I said in my previous video, Christina, I think we should talk. Don't worry, we're still friends, but I hope you have improved on your cookie making. Can we eat those other cookies that you...
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. The cookies he bought. Yeah. Nothing like store-bought. Well, I really hope my mom has appreciated all these videos for Mother's Day. I don't know what we just did with our lives. We had a good time.
We did.
We lived with love. And that's all I could ever really ask for.
Me too.
Love for each other, love for my mom, all the moms out there, including myself.
Love of silly children's recipes.
Yeah. Thank you to the students of Mrs. Stooks' 1994 kindergarten class, including myself. I really gotta stop saying that.
Yeah, sounds like you're trying to toot your own horn. At least your recipe said to cook the chicken.
It's true. Although not well.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching with us. This is Liv of Live with Love.
And John.
My loving husband, wishing you a happy Mother's Day. You got stuck in my teeth. What are we doing with our lives?
This.
Yeah.
Among other things.
Yeah. Mom.